Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing good. And as usual, we're just gonna jump straight into the video. I know my cameras are old, but y'all, this is an install I'm gonna take out right after get my hair done, and I'm gonna do some braids. So yeah. Anywho, I'm just using some edge control. I'm going to push my edges back and then I'm going to put a cap down. I'm not going to do a ball cap method because this wig is not meant to stay on my head for long, even though it wanted to. But I'm going to take it off pretty soon. So I'm just going to put my ball cap, push it back. As you can see, my edges are slicked back. So that's the essence of putting edge control first. So your edges are secure and tucked in behind your hairline or where you're going to apply glue. And I'm using my foundation in my shade. I think my shade is 375 for Fit Me. But I'm just putting that on. And I am going to spread it on the wig cap so that way it doesn't look white underneath my wig. So once that's done, I'm going to take some rubbing alcohol on a pad and I'm going to clean my forehead. But the wig we're putting on today is a wig I've used before. I just didn't take a video, but it's our HD lace wig and it's in the description below. You can order it from Gancy.com. And as you're gonna see, this wig melts flawlessly into my skin. You guys, you're gonna see, but I did not even tie a melt band, and this wig melted into my skin. One layer of glue did it for me, so just keep watching. As you can see, it's already looking flawless. I just put my foundation on it, and I could wear this glueless. I really could wear this glueless. But I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to glue your wigs at home, so the side tabs are not, poking up or anything like that. And you guys, as you can see, this is looking so good. And guess what? My friend surprised me and came over. This is Amanda. She has a YouTube channel too. We've collabed before, so I'm gonna tag her down below. Her channel is Fit to Be Loved. But she came in, we started gisting, and I completely not forgot, but I lost track of the fact that I was doing a video. But anywho, I'm going to use my Hair by Erica J glue, apply it on my hairline in front of it, and literally, guys, that's all I'm gonna use. Just that one pump. That's all I'm gonna use. Apply one thin layer. I'm gonna apply it and let it dry clear before I put my wig down. Like just one layer, apply it. As you can see, the middle of my forehead is already looking dry. Because, yeah, if you apply it evenly, it's going to look clean, seamless, and dry, and not white at all. So just take your time, spread the glue evenly, and just let it, melt into your skin. And once that is done, just bring down my lace, put it on top of the glue right there. Try to put it exactly where you put the glue. You don't want to put it below. And if you need more glue at the sides or anywhere, you can go in and add more glue, but just try not to put the glue in front of the wig or the hairline, okay? Because that's going to be a lot harder to clean. I think I'm going to do an install one of these days where I do the mistakes of a bit uninstall and show you guys how I can fix it. Like if I put too much glue, I'll show you guys how I can fix it. I'm gonna do that. That video is gonna be coming soon. But in the meantime, enjoy this quick, flawless install. And after this, all I'm gonna do is put some hairspray, like hair melt spray, like Ibn. Put that on there, blow dry it, and literally, y'all, I'm done. And then do baby hair if you want to, but otherwise this side is done. So just sit back, watch, enjoy, and at the end of this video, you guys, I'm going to give you guys a bonus of how to take off your wig and how to clean off the glue on the lace. So stay tuned to the end. Hey you guys, so I'm gonna show you how easy it is to take off your wigs. All you need is alcohol and like some pads or towel. I'm just going to take the alcohol, dab it on the pad, and dab it on the lace. Maybe you have to be careful so this does not come on your skin, into your eyes. But I'm just dabbing it on there. My wig is still on. Like, Hair by Erica J Glue did not make my wig move even an inch. But I want to take this off because I want to get braids done. So, see, literally, I just dabbed this on, and it is lifting the lace. Like, see, right here is lifting already. And I'm not pulling. This is how I stay with all of my edges. Like, see, I just pulled this part like seconds ago and it wasn't lifting, but see, now everything's coming off. If it does not come off, so like, see, everything's coming off. This part's a little sticky. Just gonna put more alcohol right there and just let it be. There you go, see? And voila, everything comes off. And the rest of my forehead, I'm just gonna clean it with this to get the rest of the glue on my skin off. So if you don't have a glue remover, alcohol is your best friend. Because when I tell you guys I still have edges, this is why. And rub in a circular motion to get the glue off faster. Like, see, there's glue on my hair right here. But once I rub in a circular motion, the glue just comes out. That's the glue coming out, and my hair does not come out with it. Like, see, it just slides off my hair. So just rub the glue in a circular motion. It's gonna make the glue ball up, and voila, that's how it comes out. Easy. And I'm just gonna show you guys how easier to get the glue off. So do you see this part's clean, but this part still has glue. Take a mirror and just glide it off like so. Do you see? The glue is sticking to the mirror. So just do that. Glide it off like so. And voila, that's how you get your lace clean and ready for the next use. You don't have to wash your wigs all the time, but this wig is still in pretty good shape, so I'm not sure I'm gonna wash it. But once I do that, and then whatever glue gets on the hair, I comb it out. It comes right out, and it's on the comb, and I'll take it out. That simple. Y'all, stop destroying your wigs, okay? With the way you take them out, honestly. It's like, see, my hairline is still good, no balding. The hairline on this side too, it's still very good, no balding, nothing. All good.